All right, welcome back. Welcome back to the summary of this particular section. So let's see what we've talked about. We've talked about in detail about small office network types, what type of devices you would use, what type of configurations you may want to use, okay, and who would use them. Anyway, I told you mine, what I used to do. Enterprise network types definitely takes a lot more, doesn't it? A lot more configuration, okay, for security, for anything. All right, you're gonna have a lot more devices that you're gonna have to deal with. That's why it's not just one person handling everything. You just can't have one person trying to handle the whole shebang, because an enterprise network is not just one building. It may be a 150-floor building across all 50 states or across the globe. So you need a team of individuals per building to take care of what it is you need to take care of. Not only are you taking care of a LAN, but you're also taking care of a WAN. And we all know that help desk is the most grueling job of all. Okay. And then we looked at the different Ethernet cabling standards, all right, that you're going to see in your certification. But we also threw some other stuff in there, like the IDFs and the MDFs, all right, the 568A and the 568B standards, which are the color codes for your straight through, crossover, or rolled cables. That's what they're going to ask you. And again, this documentation will be made available for you. All right, but just know this right here, the cabling, you're not going to get drilled on it. Some questions that I would put, I mean, if I was, like back when I was in the college, I would say, okay, hey, you're trying to connect these two buildings together. What type of cabling would you use? Well, first comes to mind, hey, what distance, how far apart are these buildings? And then, hey, I'm going outdoors. I'm not going to use UTP cabling. And if I use shielded twisted pair cabling, and really using coaxial, yeah, it's good for interference, but how far can it go? 500 meters? What if I'm more than 500 meters? So fiber optic would be the obvious choice. So things like that. Things like that is what you may see. I don't know. You may see. But as far as the other ones, yes, know your 568A and your 568B standard, the color codes, the pinouts, you should know what they are. All right, so that's what we went over. So look at it, memorize it. I'll see you in the next one.